Last day at Gulfood Manufacturing. I am with Antonio Goldoni, the EMEA distribution manager of Luve. Luve is an Italian company located in Italy, exporting worldwide. Antonio, good morning.
Good morning.
What about the production of Luve?
Luve is producing all the products needed for the food chain, for the cold chain, and we are producing evaporator and condenser to serve the market of preservation, freezing, and all the food logistics.
Which kind of technology you can supply to Middle East market?
We can supply the best technology ever for energy saving and water saving.
Have you many customers in Middle East area?
We have many customers. We are now serving the market, especially in UAE, Saudi and the Egyptian market. We are growing a lot, so we are very happy about this market. It's a promising market for us and we are looking forward to improve again.
Antonio, which is your opinion about Gulfood Manufacturing? Today is the last day.
Gulfood Manufacturing, for us it is the first year we are here and we are really happy. Nice exhibition, very good contact, valuable customer, so we are really happy about that.
Are you going to be present also next year?
We are almost sure we will be here next year, so we are looking for meeting you next year.
Thank you, Antonio. Thank you so much.